Hello guys, good morning. It's the 4th week of our OJT. So rotational plan namin, and right now I'm in Anflo Core kasi office na naman ako naka-assign along with Kim. So yeah, wish me luck. Not really motivated kasi I'm still trying to adjust kasi gikan lang kaming sama. So hopefully, wishing all the best as an office girl right now this week and for the next 2 weeks. So let's go. Paon sa Meg, lunch. Hi, Lods. Kasi maingon ni mo, Lods. Adjust kami guys sa mga environment namin. Day 1 guys. Depressed kay may Lods. Hi guys. So, nag-adjust kami sa environment. Okay, may hinuod sila mga kalma lang man ang mga
Integrity. Tama ba?
Integrity ba ni? CCTV monitor balance. Slow down. Gusto na kaya sila, no? Gani, nagparamdam ang Bridgeport, guys. Nagparamdam ang among favorite Bridgeport.
Pwede kainin mo shampoo, no?
Huh?
Shampoo.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Work, 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 work. The bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, the only thing we know is the bigger the bill, the harder you ball. Well, I'm throwing mine, cause my money long. The quicker you're here, the faster you go. That's why where I come from, no.
Day 2. Missing summer. Progress. Day 3. Pangit lagi ni ako.
Last village.
Pangit lagi ni ako. Dito. Abi na kung pangit ang camera. Pero moro siya nag-flap.
Back home. Oh, kasan na?
Hi guys. So after work, ay mga iring community diri guys. Hello doggy.
Kuha siya manok. Buhok sa manok.
Yours truly, si Kim. Ano po na lang siya manok, oh. Manang we guys, first week done sa Anflocor office, Anflocor. Hi guys, so it's our treat of 4th week. We have accomplished the first week at Anflocon.
Office survive.
So this is our treat to ourselves kasi nagmukmuk kami whole day. Pampalibag, pampalubag. Pampalubag loob. hot song.
You were the one who was caught stealing CCTV.
Mag-clout lang may diri guys. Murag, ano ragod mo.
I believe my brother is a criminal.
Yan ang hindi ko matatanggap na tawagin mo ko.
Criminal? Criminal? Criminal?
Food check.
Pwede ka na niya. I-close us.
Food check. Ayaw sa mga lads. Pag saan. Eat well guys. Look at our food.
Ayun na, nag-picture.
Food. Hi guys. Another treat because another week has passed.
Wow. Ay, bigyan ko.
Let's.
Sige, kana.
Wala na lang microphone. Bakit ka sa kamot? Dapat i-press. Ikaw the press na naman. Dapat. Saan niyo po press? Bisa asar. Bisa asar. Tingnan. Sakit ka sa kamot. Hiwi man ko. Hiwi ako. Hold. Di. Skillet. Go. Uson. Kaya mag-ana-ana arap skillet. Wait. 1, 2, 3. From the start. 1, 2, 3, go. Laper na lang balik. Nawala balik.
Guys, I'm back in summer, guys. I'm back. I shall return, and I did. We're back. I shall return, and I returned.
And she ate.
She ate. Kami lang, mga tunay na lods her. Uy! Joke lang.
Nakabong kasi kinana. When? Still here.
Ay, lods po na to. Lods po to kanito naman. Yes. half of the building. So, it's raining. It's so dalong. We're only 3 people here. Hi, Lods! Kuya, was Lods si Pepper mag-PPE. Sorry. So prepared. Elevator. So, because we are investigators. Si may mo abot. Gani.
Malang elevator dito sa ano, doon sa lang.
Hi, Lods! Hi! Look at the lighting. It's very lighting. Wow! Hot like me. Nakabalik na dito ang Lods after 5 days. Mayroon kaya mga Lods. As you can see, guys, wala pa yung namuyo dere. Can we pass?
Can we pass the
Can we pass the...
Ay, magigok pa? Dinlig ko.
Hi, guys! It's so ulan.
Ate Kimi! Ate Kimi! Ate Kimi!
Magdap. Kasi muna pa si Sir A lang sila pa sa baka.
Can we pass?
Ito mong gatong last time. Gatong nag-inspection ba niya? Yung ba si Sir na? Si Sir Jack? Sa Viber na. Kuan lang. Kanang, ayaw lang sila pa sa baka. So, kabalos.
Ayaw.
Aware si Sir. Nasaba ta.
Aware me.
Buti niya, dili lang daw maghugaw sa labi.
Naghugaw pa sa labi.
Agi tong
Wala tayo makita ito.
Kainan daw ka ito. Naging nantan.
Agi tong Emily ba? Agi tong Emily.
Hindi lang ito ako. Ano eh, kanin food.